looking for a resale lots here in Solen Residences, this video might be for you. Hi guys, it's me Bon Sitoy from GoRealty.ph and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng listing updates dito sa Solen Residences. Hey guys, welcome to our first lot listing. Inner lot siya facing perimeter and it is a 182 square meter lot area. Ang maganda dito, for me, wala na tayong katapat na bahay. So kapag may visitors tayo, malaki yung space na pwede nating maging parking. At least hindi na natin sila nadadala sa iba para lang mag-park. Yung likod niyan guys is yung garden na nakikita nyo kapag papasok kayo ng Solen Residences. So guys, para may idea kayo no, kung gaano siya kalaki, nag-start tayo from here and to here. So guys, no, napakalaki niya rin kahit na nasa inner lot siya. At ang price nito is 6 million pesos included the CGT or capital gains tax. So the buyer will shoulder the transfer fees. So guys, this is our second lot listing. It is a 171 square meter lot area and again, inner lot siya. From here hanggang dito sa may punong maliit. Ang price nito is 35k per square meter net. So meaning the buyer will shoulder the CGT and the transfer fees. So kung hanap mo naman ay hindi ganong kalaki ang lupa, ito yung pinaka-smallest cut ng lupa dito sa Solen na available sa atin. So tara, move na tayo sa third lot. Welcome to our third listing lot. It is a perimeter corner lot with the lot size of 182 square meter lot area. At yung nasa likodan natin na subdivision is Laguna Bel Air 2. Isa sa mga gusto ko dito is wala na tayong katapat na house. Ang katapat natin is mini garden. So guys, ang price nito is 5.6 million pesos. This is the most affordable lot na for sale natin dito sa Solen Residences. So guys, we can move to the last lot. Let's go! Welcome to our fourth lot listing. It is located in phase 2 of Solen Residences. It is a corner lot with a lot size of 243 square meter lot area. Kung naghahanap ka ng bigger cut, ito yung pinakamagandang mai-offer ko sa inyo. Perfect cut, perfect location, perfect para sa family mo. So guys, ang price nito is 8 million pesos included the capital gains tax. And the buyer will shoulder the transfer fees. If you have any questions, clarification, please contact me here and we are more than happy to assist you. But wait, before we end this guys, if you want to sell, to rent your properties, feel free to list with us. Bye-bye!